Welcome to Amayascapes Trece Martires. Let me show you the most affordable yet quality home here in Cavite by Ayala Land. Perfect ito sa families and first-time homeowners. Dito sa Amayascapes, you will enjoy spacious and well-designed homes. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1 car garage. Let's proceed to the master's bedroom. Enough space for a queen or king-size bed, big windows for natural light and good ventilation, spacious and cozy, designed for comfort, and then let's proceed to the secondary bedroom. Ideal for kids, guests, or even as a home office. Can fit single to double bed, flexible layout, study area, playroom, or mini office. So, let's check the stairs. Space-saving design to maximize your home. Durable and safe staircases. Perfect for everyday use. Modern look that blends with your interiors. So, this is the living and dining area. Bright and welcoming space for family bonding. Well ventilated with natural light. Flexible layout for modern or minimalist design. The kitchen area. Functional and efficient cooking space, ready for your modern kitchen setup, perfect for everyday meals or weekend gatherings. Compact yet practical design to maximize space. We have also complete and modern amenities, such as swimming pool, children's play area, and village pavilion. So, now that you have seen what Amayascapes Trece Martires has to offer, so why wait? Start your journey to owning your dream home today. Message me now to reserve your unit or schedule a site visit. Thank you.